Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth video in the May Make at Home cards class. We're going to be making card number 7, and I've already explained, 7 and 8 cards 7 and 8 will be the same design, so it would be the same way of putting it together. So this is a card, and I'm calling this a curtain fold. Kind of looks like a curtain. All right, so we're going to get started. The most important thing it's a simple card, and the most important thing to do for this card is you're going to fold your designer series paper. It has a score line on top already, and you're going to attach it to this piece of cardstock. It's lavender lace. So we're going to attach it here before we attach it here to the base. So that way you don't see the seam on the back, all right? So we want to set it up so it's centered as much as we can. And then we're going to put glue, adhere it this way. And then we're going to add glue all around because we're going to adhere it to the base card. I'll just put a little bit more there. So now I'm going to center it on the base card with an even border on either side. And if you line it up to be flush here, you can always trim it down here if it's a little long, all right? That fold makes it sometimes not be even. So we're adhering this, and this is still a flap. This is a curtain. And on my card, I can see that there's a little bit of hangover right here. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna trim that tiny little piece without cutting the base card. All right, I'll just cut this tiny little piece. And now it's even. So this is a simple card. We're going to attach the Love You to the center of this swirl. And then we're going to glue, we won't use dimensionals on this to the card. Just make it be straight. On the inside of the card, we're going to adhere this little banner, or what is it, label on the inside. And then for the flowers, we're going to curl them up a little bit. Remember how we've been doing? Just use your bone folder or use a pen or a pencil, and it gives them a little bit of dimension so they won't lie so flat. Now, if you noticed on the last card, which was number 6, I showed you how to make the flower where the petals were bent. I forgot to mention that the leaves had the same score line. So if you wish to do that to your leaves in this card, you could do that, but I didn't score them for you. So there's an option there. I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of each of the flowers. And then I'm going to place one of the flowers first, the purple one. This is Gorgeous Grape. And this is Daffodil Delight. And then you have 2 little circles of glimmer paper. That's going to be the center of your flowers. Just put it in the center. See how simple this one is? And you have 1 leaf. So you can also curl it, which is what I'm going to do. But if you have a bone folder, you can score it here. Just put it on a stack of papers. You can score it. Well, actually, can you see what I'm doing here? If you just take the bone folder and you score it, just like that. Just in the middle. You can bend it a little. It looks more realistic. So now I'm just going to tuck it in here. And there, my card is completed. Oops, my center moved. There's my card. So you're going to do card number 8 exactly the same way, but card number 8 has 3 flowers. So you will just be adhering 3 flowers instead of 2. So I'm going to review the cards that we have made for this class. We started off with 2 gatefold cards. There were different colors. And then we made 2 buckle cards. Remember the buckle that tucks in? So we made 2 of those. Then we made the trifold cards. We made 2 of those. Here's the second trifold card. And then right now we've just made the curtain card. And so there's 2 of those. This one and this one. So I want to thank you for joining me and doing this for this class. I hope that you liked it, you enjoyed it, and that you learned a lot. And I hope that you continue to participate so that you can continue learning. There's lots of techniques I plan to share with you. Thank you, and have a good evening. Bye-bye.